natin, guys. So you can chat, no, below. Yan. So sa mga affiliates natin dyan, magandang gabi. And for sure, baka yung iba, may mga iba pang pinagkakabalahan, no? Nag-prepare pa ng dinner natin, no? So, ganda kasi habang kumakain kayo, pwede niyong pakinggan itong ano natin, affiliate program, no? So, isang napakagandang opportunity po yung masasaksihan nyo ngayong gabi na to, no? Yan, may mga from Riyadh, watching from Riyadh. Galing, no? Galing. Kasi yung company natin is nag-spread na sa buong mundo, no? So, itong Seacrest, kumbaga itong company na i-share namin sa inyo, guys, unti-unti kumakalat na sa different parts of the world, no? So, may mga iba't iba na tayong mga OFWs din na interesado din paano mag-affiliate, no? Gustong-gusto din mag-affiliate sa company natin. Ayan. Si Sir Jason is from Baler. Ayan. Kamusta ka dyan, sir, sa Baler? No? Yan. How to join po. Yan. Grabe, no? So, napakadali lang ng proseso para sumali sa atin, no? But before ka munang mag-proceed doon, no? Before tayo mag-proceed sa exciting part na sasali na, no? So, mas mainam po, tapusin po natin itong ano natin, itong discussion natin para lahat po ng detalye maintindihan natin. And at the same time, ma-inspire po tayo sa speaker natin tonight kasi even ako, actually, I am blessed and I am amazed sa taong to kasi nga kaka-start lang din po siya. Isa din po siya sa mga kakasimula lang din ng company natin pero hindi na po bago sa kanya itong industry kasi itong sistema po na matutunghayan nyo na later po i-share niya, no? Kumbaga proven and tested na tong sistema na to, no? Kasi nga marami na rin po talagang kumita dito sa ganitong klaseng system, guys, no? So later on matutunghayan natin, no? So papasukin niyo po yung mga clients natin, yung mga guests din natin, no? Yung mga invites natin. Tsaka yung mga kakilala nyong affiliates din, guys, no? Pwede niyo silang ma-invite, no? And ma-send sa kanila yung link na to or yung friends mo, families mo, no? Kung ikaw mismo affiliate ka na, then yung partner mo, no? Husband mo or wife mo, pwede mo mapanood sa kanya to para syempre siya din, no? Maintindihan niya din yung pinasok mo, no? Si Sir Christian watching from Cainta, ayun. Sir Darrens naman watching from Quezon City. Yan. Si Sir Edmar watching from behind mo. Iba to si Sir Ed. No? Si Sir Raul Rania watching from Quezon City. Dami, no? Batangas, ayan, Malvar, Batangas. Marami-rami, no? Different parts of the Philippines na rin yung mga ano natin, clients natin. And syempre, yung mga affiliates natin. Bakit ganun ba kabilis? Sir, matanong ko dyan, no? Matanong ko lang sa iyo, sir, kailan po ba nagsimula yung company na gusto mong i-share sa amin? So, etong company pala, guys, is nagsimula po siya nung May, no? May 13. This year lang po, May 13, 2024 po siya. Kakasimula lang po natin ngayong taon. Pero bakit ganun po siya kabilis nag-spread, sir? Kasi nga, itong companies, isa sa mga pinaka nagustuhan ko is uh, we really have the advocacy ng company, no? So, kumbaga, even ikaw, no, hindi ka rin mahiyang i-promote, hindi ka rin mahiyang i-share sa mga kaibigan mo kasi ang ganda po ng advocacy yan nitong kumpanya na to, no? So, hindi ka mahirapan na i-share sa kanila kasi nga even yung mismong business model is kumbaga proven and tested na rin, no? And yun nga, since napakaganda ng ano natin ng sistema, no, yung advocacy ng kumpanya is even sa products din, no, matutuwa ka sa produkto na matutunghayan mo later, no. So anyway, guys, ano niyo na, no, spread niyo na yung link sa mga ano niyo, mga kakilala niyo. Kung ikaw client ka, no, first time mong mapanood to, first time mong maka-attend, pwede mong i-share sa mga kaibigan mo rin, no. Baka if ever yung kaibigan mo, pwede rin siyang mag-comment sa iyo, no? Or pwede ka rin hihingi sa kanya ng advice, no? Na ano ba yung sa tingin niya, itong company na papasukan mo is okay ba sa kanya, nagugustuhan niya ba din, no? So para at least dalawa din kayo makapanood ngayong gabi natin, no? Itong napakaganda ng event natin, no? So, syempre, ayan. So, yan, yung mga participants natin, si Sir Ronelo, no? Watching from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Hello, 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 guys. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng kakapasok lang, no? Kaka-tune in lang ngayon ng ano natin, affiliate program discussion. Si Sir Marcelito from Muntinlupa City. Hello po, no? Si Tita Doliente, yan, isa sa mga ano natin, no? Affiliate natin si Tita, no? Hello po, watching from San Fernando, San Pedro, Laguna. Yan, San Pedro, Laguna. So guys, so yun na nga, no? Baka matanong nyo, anong meron tonight? Actually guys, ito po is isang ano, kumbaga, marketing industry na kung saan napakaganda po na matutunghayan natin right now kasi even ako po, I was very amazed ng company na to kasi uh, kumbaga, aside sa advocacy, yung produkto po is hindi ka po mahirapang i-promote or i-affiliate sa mga kakilala mo kasi yun nga, may mga kagaya ko rin na hindi rin mahilig magbenta, no? Actually, I'm not into sales then, I'm not into selling products, pero yun po yung kagandahan, no? Kasi hindi ka po mahirapang i-promote or affiliate yung product natin, no? Kasi even yung product natin mismo, kabenta-benta din po. So, yan. No? So anyway guys, siguro di na natin papatagalin, no? Simulan natin. So kontakin niyo na lang siguro yung mga clients nyo, follow up nyo kaagad, no? Na kasi magsisimula na tayo. So before ko ipapasa yung stage na to, no, yung screen natin tonight, guys. Ayan. So ano muna natin, no? Shout out natin yung yan si Sir Jason watching from Iloilo. Yan, Marawi naman si Sir Harun Basher. Yan. Si Ma'am Yolanda po. Hello, Seacrest family watching from the mom. Ayan, KCA, no? KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Shout out to my Team Eagle Seacrest Global. Ayan, grabe. No? So, imagine guys, no, sa mga clients natin, imagine na yung papasukan mo opportunity, yung papanoorin mo right now, no, is kumbaga hindi na lang siya Philippines, no? So, kumbaga kung saang sulok na ng buong mundo, merong Seacrest po, no? So, ayan. So, marami po kayong makakasama dito ng mga affiliates natin na kumbaga hindi mo lang 'to gagawin na mag-isa, no? Huwag kang matakot na sumubok, huwag kang matakot na panoorin 'to, pakinggan 'to kasi in the first place, no, this is all free, no? It's all free yung matutunghayan mo ngayong gabi na 'to, guys, no? So, it's up to you, no? Magde-decide ka lang later on, no? So, before tayo, no, before ka magde-decide, syempre tapusin natin itong presentation natin tonight, no? And guys, sige, no? Di naman ako yung mag-share sa inyo ng opportunity right now, no? Gusto ko lang ipakilala sa inyo yung tao, no? So, yung tao mag-share nito. And by the way, syempre before ko siya ipakilala, by the way, I'm Ace Cabonce pala, no? So, I'm from Mindanao. I'm from Davao, pero currently staying here, no? Residing here sa Cebu. And yun nga, sa mga kapwa ko Bisaya, no? Maayong gabi, ikaninyong tanan diha, no? Mga Bisaya, di ba? So, yun guys, actually, even ako, no? I'm so very amazed with this, our speaker tonight kasi napakasipag, no? Napaka hands-on po niya sa team niya. Kaya no wonder, no? And expand of a couple of days, no? Nag-rank up siya. And right now, he's our national director po ng company natin. So, no? And isa po ako sa, kumbaga, iniidolo po tong taong to kasi nga napakabilis po niya nag-succeed. So wag ka mag-alala, no? Kasi kung nagawa ng taong to, no, na siya mismo, no, na nag-succeed din in a couple of days, definitely, no, definitely isa rin siya sa mga tutulong sa iyo at matutulungan ka rin niya na makamit mo rin yung mga nakamit niya. Kaya I suggest, no, sa lahat po ng mga first-timers, kung ano mo yung pinagkakabalahan natin right now, no, I suggest guys, pakinggan mo tong taong to, no. Tapusin natin itong affiliate program discussion natin kasi I'm pretty much sure, no, magugustuhan mo to. And syempre, kung meron ka mga katanungan, no, masasagot niyo later on. So guys, no, syempre, di na natin papatagalin, no. Please help me welcome, no? Our, yan, please help me welcome, guys, no? Di na natin papatagalin. Ang ating National Director, no? Coach Jericho Erinco.
All right. All right. So thank you so much, Coach Art, no? Applied Art Ace Cabonce. So thank you so much sa pag-intro. Good evening, everyone. So wag niyo pong pakatitigan kasi hindi po si Boy Abunda ang nasa harap niyo. Magkapareho lang po ang ulo po namin. So para hindi po kayo ma-intimidate, allow me po na gamitin po tong aking signature po talaga. So dito po ako nakilala sa cup na to dahil talagang ito po ang signature ng inyo pong lingkod. So good evening, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. We have so many viewers, maraming nakatune in, not only here in the Philippines, but all over the world. So yoho, congrats po, Coach. Ay, dami nagpapalakpakan, biglang nag-ingay ang ating chat room. So alright, so pakiusap ko lang po. Guys, I'd like to ask an apology, no? So nakapag-send po tayo kanina ng invitations link. However, yung naka-attach po pala doon na link is the recorded presentation of Applied Edmar Torcola. So sorry for that. Nag-resend po kami ngayon po Lino. That's the reason why ngayon lang po nagdatingan yung mga tao. So ganun pa man, sabi ko nga, focus lang po tayo. Sabi ka din ni Sir Ace, no? Be at the moment because tonight, it's gonna be another, no? Ibang gabi po ito. So bigyan niyo po kami ng konting oras kasi napakabilis lang po ng presentation. So what we have right now is just, we're gonna share you an opportunity, a platform, which is mushrooming and trending local. And take note, we will go global. So we're just going to start here in local, but we will go global. So ang request ko lang po sa lahat, be at the moment para po talagang maintindihan po natin yung pag-iisipan po, pag-uusapan po natin ngayong gabi. No, kailangan po talagang ma-scrutinize po natin lahat ng mga i-share po namin sa inyo ngayong gabi. So, please settle down. We believe some of you or majority is nakakain na, no? Alas 8 na, pero you're strolling kasi ako, yung lingkod nyo po, sobrang excited. Kanina pa po ako nag-abang. Sabi ko, pag speaker ka, you should be on time. Hindi ka pwedeng ma-late, no? So, yun. Invite pa po tayo. Please bring in our guests, our team, because tonight is ngayong pong gabi magsisimula po na mabago po talaga ang buhay po natin. It's 90 degrees po ang babaguhin po natin. Believe me. Alright? So, be at the moment, at this juncture, before we're gonna start, please settle down. Please put ourselves in the presence of a God muna, because right now, we will have this opening prayer. Magdasal po muna tayo before we're gonna start our presentation. So please settle down po tayo. If you are all ready, I hope everybody's ready. So invite pa more. And now, again, please put ourselves in the presence of God and let us all pray.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. Bless everyone present today, that each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
All right. So everybody say amen. Amen po tayong lahat. All right. So thank you so much. Wait lang. Yan, be at the moment. please bring in pa rin natin, invite pa rin po natin yung iba nating mga kasama para po makapasok po sila sa ating presentation. Okay, so, okay. Wait lang, I'm gonna share to you my slides. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, so once again, good evening, everyone, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Ayan, kanina pa ako nagsasalita dito, sabi nila, sino kaya ito nagsasalita na to na nandito sa atin, hindi pa nagpapakilala. So wag po kayong mag-alala kasi magpapakilala po ako, Coach Arlo Capilan. Grabe naman ang tawa mo dyan. Parang you are very proud, nararamdaman ko. Sabi niya, ay, apply ko yung nagsasalita, apply ko yung magpe-present, no? So parang nag-drive ka ata, ingat ha, ingat. Sa lahat ng mga nasa labas na kasamahan po natin, I know that you are very interested to learn about our business. But please, ingat po tayong lahat. Ingat po tayo lahat sa ating, kung nasaan man po tayo. No? So again, good evening everyone. We have 73,000 in the house. And I believe yung iba po hindi pa po nakakapasok dahil again, sorry po ha, mali yung link na share ko po kanina sa inyo. So kaya nag-resend po tayo ng panibagong link. So magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga leaders. And I'm so proud each and every one of you. And I'd like to congratulate each and every one of you dahil again and again, at the moment, because tonight, it's a turning point of our life. No? So focus lang po tayo, konting oras lang po ito. And magtutuloy-tuloy po tayo. No? So kung mayroon pa po kayong hindi pa po na-invite, pasukin po natin. No? So sorry, ayan, nagmamadali po. No? So again, good evening everyone. Welcome to Seacrest Business Presentation. Pasensya na kayo kasi ang inyo pong presenter ay Bicolano. Mayroon po kaming kakayahan na patigasin po ng mga malalambot na salita at palambutin ang mga matitigas na salita. All right? So explore wellness like never before. But before I will start my presentation, allow me to introduce myself. Yan, my name is Coach Jericho Irinco. I'm in a national director run for corporate director. So I started being part of this great opportunity, a great platform, just like last Saturday. So magdadalawang linggo pa lang po ako this coming Saturday. So ang background ko po is employee po ako for 24 years. Yes, you heard it right. So kasama din po ako dun sa mga rat race. Sorry ha, baka may mga empleyado dito. No, I don't mean to hurt you, pero ito po yung katotohanan that I realized na hindi talaga makukuha yung mga pangarap sa pagiging empleyado. Sorry to say, that's based on my talagang in-scrutinize ko talaga, tiningnan ko talaga what will happen to me if I will continue working as an employee, no? So kaya doon po ako nagsimula na mag-explore at ma-engage po sa multi-level marketing because we all know that in this kind of platform po talaga, you are the boss of your own. It's an unlimited income, it's up to you. Kung masipag ka, milyonaryo ka. Yo, that's the keyword. All right, so I am the founder of Eagles and Lions Worldwide. And I am a life coach. I am a member of Celebrity Compound. The Celebrity Compound is a community wherein focus po yan in a community service. I am also a member of Sinag Tigawenyo. These are the community of influencer. Yeah, I have a community of vloggers. Because I am a vlogger, I'm a content creator, an influencer. I am the owner of Silani Jake TV YouTube channel. Okay? So, ayan, welcome. Welcome po ngayong gabi. And I am also the advisor of Huyun Huyun Central Youth Organization. This is my community and that's the reason why talagang I'm very eager talaga to be, pag pinasok ko ang isang platform, kailangan po talaga mag-create po tayo ng success kasi may mga nakaabang po sa atin. Mayroon po tayong sinusuportahan na community. This organization is a non-government organization. All of the members of this are voluntary lang po. Now, we conduct community service like coastal cleanup, feeding program, relief operation, at marami pa pong iba. No? Mga volunteer lang po yan. And since non-government organization, si Coach Jericho hindi naman po mayaman. No? So kumbaga, galing sa income ko, kumukurot po tayo. So binibigay po natin dito para po makakagawa tayo ng mga community service. I am so blessed because we have this Seacrest company na kung saan magiging partner ko po, no, para makapag-raise ng mga funds that na kailangan ng aking mga existing organizations and community. And ako din po ay a focal person ng Kabataang Kontra Droga at Terorismo under the Municipality Police Station of Tigaon, Camarines Sur. So ayan, hello po kung may mga Bicolano digdi, Diyos marhay na banggi sa Indugabos. Ayan, and the KKDOT is it's Philippine National Police Program from national down to the barangay level. So ang purpose po nitong program is of course to protect our young generation, especially the youth, no? Sorry, excuse. And I am advocate of youth empowerment po talaga. Okay, so enough for me. Actually, this is not all about me. This is all about you. So kumusta naman po tayo? For how many years we've been working? Kumusta na po yung pangarap natin? Huwag niyo po sabihin sa akin na ibinaon na po natin sa limot. Tinanggap na po natin yung katotohanan na talagang nandito po tayo sa mundo na ginagalawan natin na utang bayad. No, it's not. Mayroon po tayong kailangan. Babago po natin yan. Babaguhin po natin yan ngayong gabi. That's why to all of our guests inside, all our official partners here, please be at the moment because what we are going to talk tonight is an opportunity na magbabago po sa buhay po natin. Ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayong gabi, isang oportunidad na kung saan trending, mushrooming po siya. So, I know that you heard already the affiliation, no? The affiliate marketing talaga is talaga naman booming po talaga yan, no? Mushrooming po talaga yan. So, ang dami na pong binago ng buhay even in our local, no, sa other platform ng mga online natin na maya-maya may dinideliver po sa atin. We are just a customer of that, no. I know you got my point, no. So naiintindihan niyo po kung ano yung sinasabi ko, no. So wag na po tayong maging puro ano na lang tayo, no. Buyer na lang tayo ni TikTok, ni Lazada and other platform. So at this juncture, at this time, baguhin naman natin. We will set up our own online business and you will be one of an entrepreneur. Ang pera po is nasa negosyo. Alam po natin yan. So again, I want to see the hands of new. Mayroon po ba tayong mga bago? As in fresh. Kadyo-join lang kanina, kadyo-join lang kahapon, naging part po nitong developing company na kung saan talaga namang exciting. So can you please type number 1 at the chat box? Huwag po kayong mahiya. Huwag po kayong mahiya. Ay, may Bicolano. Ay, we have. Wow, ang dami. We have Coach Norman Evrio, we have Jeff Oray. So sila lang po ba? Lenny, Coach Jesse, sino pa? Alam niyo po guys, ang galing po ng speaker is nanggagaling po yan sa kung paano mag-react, no? Kung paano po mag-support ang ating mga audience. So marami. Wow, grabe. Ang dami bago. Grabe, sabi ko. Parang akala ko magkikwento lang ako ngayong gabi kasi akala ko all of our partners inside are talaga namang mga well-versed, magagaling, no? So, again, I'd like to take this opportunity para pasalamatan lahat ng mga leaders, no? I won't be a national director in a very short period of time without your effort, guys. Actually, this is all for you. Yung national director na title, nakakabit lang po yan sa pangalan ko. Pero po, kayo po talaga ang lahat na gumawa nito. So, this is all for you. Maraming salamat. And I keep on praying na let's rock. And I want to see you all at the top. All right? So, maraming salamat sa mga nagpa-participate sa atin. Thank you. So I'm very proud, Bicolana, Coach Yolanda Manlapig. All right. Okay. So may mga Uragon pala dito. Sorry, that's a good word, no? Ibig sabihin, magaling, no? Magaling po ang salitang Uragon. Maybe for some, lagi nilang naririnig pag sinabing Bicolano, Uragon. Yun. So Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, tonight is your night. So sa lahat ng mga listeners or viewers na naka-plug in, naka-tune in po sa ating Zoom tonight. So be at the moment, nasaan ka man ngayon, sit back, relax, no? Para po ma-scrutinize natin ano ba yung information na gusto naming iparating po sa inyo. So again, we are in a company na kung saan po nakaposisyon po tayo sa napakagandang pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay natin for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years no? So tutukan lang po talaga natin to, i-scrutinize natin, unawain natin ng mabuti because tonight is your night. So about the company, Seacrest is a company built with a sincere dedication to provide you with baseline of products aimed to supply essential in health, beauty, and wellness, as solutions to meet the genuine needs of the people. All right? So, let me check. Okay po ba? Ang dami ko nang sinabi, no? Okay po ba? Naririnig po ba natin tayo ng malakas? Can you please type number 2? Malamang nag-response kanina yung mga tao, no? So, malakas tayo. I-assume ko na lang, no? So, I'm gonna give you a reason bakit kailangan po natin pagtuunan ng pansin, bigyan ng oras itong presentation ni Coach Jericho Irinco ngayong gabi, no? So, because guys, Seacrest is a subscription company that pays, no? Nagbabalik bayad. Ang dami pong nag-exist na mga subscription company, but kakaiba po tayo. We are unique, no? Because with products, return, no? Sa pag-join mo pa lang dito at sa bawat subscribe mo. You heard it right. This presentation is for you. If you want to be a happy subscriber, if you want to be a happy affiliate marketer, join force with us. And the reason why kailangan mong sumali kay Seacrest, because tayo po ay SEC registered. Tayo po mayroon na SEC Certificate of Incorporation. We have mayor's permit and we have physical office located at Belkiano Center, 2nd floor, MC Briones, Mandawi City. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Can I see your hands in the chat box? Palakpakan nyo naman. In-effort po to ng company, sinit up po to ng company owner bago po ibinigay sa atin that everything is in place. Palakpakan naman po natin. Palakpakan po natin. Yan. Salamat Sir Victor. Salamat Sir, Sir Norman. Coach Darren, thank you so much sa mga lahat na nagpa-participate. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Alright, so again, tuloy po natin. Ayan, so nung nakita ko po itong company na to, sobrang na-amaze ako because of the products that they introduced. They are advocating the seaweeds. They are promoting seaweeds po talaga. And maybe for some of you will be asking, why seaweeds? No, bakit seaweeds? No, bakit nga ba seaweeds? Alright, so para maintindihan po natin, titigan po natin ang aking screen. As you can see in our screen, the seaweed market, no, Global Opportunity Analysis and Industry Forecast of 2021 to 2028. Ano po yung mga market segmentation po ng seaweeds natin? Here in the Philippines, we have available seaweeds like the red seaweed, brown seaweeds, green seaweeds, and by application, para alam nyo kung saan po ba kayo nakaposition right now. No? If you're gonna join force with us, and for those who are existing affiliate, tingnan nyo kung gaano kalawak po yung market po natin or kung saan ginagamit yung mga products po natin. It is used in food and beverage extraction, of hydrocolloids, and animal feed in agriculture. And by geography naman, makikita po natin sa screen na talaga namang different continent po, no? Iba-ibang dimension and earth ang nagsusupply po or gumagamit ng seaweeds. Sa North America, Latin America, we have in Asia Pacific, sa Europe, sa Middle East and Africa. The Asia Pacific is the largest sharer po. No? As you can see, the market size, $23.2 billion po ang pinag-uusapan po natin. Ganyan po kaganda ang opportunity na nasa harapan po natin. A growing business, the global seaweeds market was worth nearly 14 billion euro po ang pinag-uusapan natin. In 2021, with Asia being the largest producer and it's projected to triple in the year 2023. Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili. Why? Anong taon ngayon? 2024. You are already sitting in a gold mine. We are all sitting in a gold mine. 2030, magti-triple po siya. Grabe, no? You have a wise decision of joining us. And maybe for some of you nagtataka, bakit ang mga Koreas, ang mga taga-China, ang mga Chinese, ang mga Japanese, humahaba ang buhay nila, tumatagal ang lifespan nila. For the information of everyone, part of their daily na kinakain is seaweeds. And later of this presentation, you will know ano ba yung kahalagahan ng seaweed sa ating katawan, no? So, Even si Dr. Janine Boring in the US, she's promoting the seaweeds because seaweeds is a powerhouse of minerals that can provide significant benefits for various skin problems. Ipapakita natin po yan sa inyo. Ano yung nakakatulong sa mga skin problems? Sa hindi po nakakaalam, at ngayon ko din lang po nalaman, no, seaweeds contains 93 plus bioavailable nutrients. Grabe, napakalupit pala nito. Palakpakan nyo naman po yan. Akala ko yung spirulina, akala ko yung kinakain ng mga astronauts, yung dinadala, yun yung pinaka-superfoods. Napakalupit pala nito, no? With 93 plus bioavailable nutrients. Dito palang kotang-kota ka na. Our body requires 100 plus of bionutrients. We have already 93 plus. Konti na lang ang kulang. So, okay. So, I hope nasusundan. And these are what we are talking about na ito yung masusolusyonan ng mga problems sa skin natin. We have the premature aging, the problems for dryness and dehydration, the problems in our skin about the inflammation and readiness, the problems for acne and breakthrough. Baka may mga kakilala kayo, no? Sorry to say, no? Karamihan, lalo na sa mga kabataan, no? May mga kabataan ngayon na yung pimples tinubuan ng mukha. Sorry ha. Sorry ha. May mga ganun, no? Mas marami yung pimples kaysa sa mukha, kaysa sa mukha. Sorry. So, kung may mga kakilala po tayo, i-save po natin sila. Supplyan po natin ng ating products, no? And what about the dull complexion? Kaya po yan i-resolve ng ating products. And eczema flare-ups, dami niya, no? Varicose veins, the cellulite appearance, problems in stress mark appearance, lalo na yung mga nanganak na. No? So, ako wala ko niyan. So, ayan. And problems in scars marks. No? Tingnan po uli natin ang ating screen. No? Kung titingnan po natin itong mga pie, the global seaweed production by country in 2013. Now, tingnan natin yung pie ng Philippines is 6%. The Korea is 4% and the Japan is 2%. Other countries up 4%. Ang pinakamalaki, China. No? It's 50%. And the Indonesia is 34%. For global economic value by 2013, the other countries are 3% only. The Japan is 16%, Korea is 6%, Philippines is 3%, and China as a still 45%, and Indonesia is 26%. By advocating of this seaweeds, mas lalaki pa po ang production ng Philippines po natin. So tulungan po natin, let's help our local farmer, no? So hindi lang po company, hindi lang po yung pagkuha ng pangarap po natin dito sa company ang ating sadya, no? We will be a channel of blessings to others. We will spread the love, the positivity, the light and hope, not only here in the Philippines, because I believe we will go global. So talagang marami po tayong matutulungan. No? So aside from that, especially yung ating mga local farmers, the company na nag-advocate po talaga ng seaweeds. Alright, so Seacrest High Quality Products Lines, excited na po ba kayong malaman? Ito po, dito po ako natuwa because all our products are seaweed infused. No, kakaiba, no? Our Skin UV Intense Whitening Lotion. Grabe, napakalupit. I have that. Hindi po ako nang-iinggit, ha? Napakalupit po nito. I have a product with me. Hindi ko promote ng isang company na hindi ko pa po nasubukan. Subok na subok. I've been using this for like 2 days. Grabe, napakalupit. Pagkatapos ko talagang maligo, talagang lagi ako lotion. And my experience for this, grabe, kakaiba. Mayroon pa akong mga lotion na nagagamit na sobrang lagkit sa katawan. Tapos pag mainit pa, paglabas mo pa lang, pawis ka na. This one, grabe, napakalupit, napakabango, na hindi mo aakalain na local po siya. Sa packaging pa lang, napakalupit na, napaka-presentable. So, we are already July, patapos na ang bilis ng panahon. Pag nag-Burmas, December na. So, I already give you an idea na pwede po natin itong pangregalo. Because at the end of the day, pag naubos yan, they will ask, Coach Jericho, sa hindi yung napakagandang lotion? Yan. So dyan po papasok ang orders. Alright, so I give you already a tip. Grabe, napakalupit. And what about the crunchy seaweed chips? Ay, grabe. Konting oras lang. Nalingat lang ako. Wala na yung chips. Gumawa lang ako ng reviews. Tapos I just put it in one side. Dinaanan ng pamangkin ko na 4 years old. Wala na. Tapos na unboxing, sabi ko nga, this is a perfect solution sa mga magulang na problema nilang pakainin ng gulay ang anak nila. Yes, you heard it right. Grabe to, no? 93 plus bioavailable nutrients. Napakalupit po nito. Pwede mo pong iulam. Napakasarap. As you can see naman, may review about this product on my reels. Ay grabe crunchy. Wala pa man, hindi pa ako nakakauwi ng Bicol. I have so many pendings order. Napakalupit talaga. If I were you, those partners natin na naka-receive na ng mga products nyo, please make your own video. Napakalupit yan. You can use that in a marketing, as your marketing tool. Ganun po kabilis, ganun po kaganda yung negosyo po natin. Nasa bahay ka lang at the comfort of your home, just sabayan mo lang yung technology. Gumamit ka lang, mag-video ka lang, and the sales will next. Okay? What about we have this Assist Skin Whitening Soup. Grabe, napakalupit ito. Ay, tignan mo naman. Excited talaga ako. Ginamit ko kaagad. At ang nakakatuwa dito, meron po siyang libreng, ito. So parang panghilod na siya. At grabe siya sa katawan. Fresh na fresh, match na match. Yung pagkatapos maligo, na fresh yung pakiramdam mo, tapos maglo-lotion ka, pinagsama po talaga siya. Sabi ko, na-realize ko bigla, no? Sabi ko, ewan ko kung pareho yung realization natin sa mga naunang nakatanggap ng products. Sabi ko, sa tagal ng panahon, I've been using skincare and I get it on order and in an online platform. Kung kinikita. And yes, user ako ng product, no? So sabi ko, grabe, napaka-timing talaga. Timing is everything. No, grabe. Imagine, every day naman talaga gumagamit ako nito. Every day naliligo naman talaga ako. No? Malay mo, bukas pa kalawa meron tayong toothpaste infused with seaweeds. No, imagine na lang, people are naliligo at naglo-lotion and you are generating income because you are part of this great platform of this Seacrest company. Napakalupit. So grabe. So our seaweed chips, crunchy seaweed snacks, is ginamitan po siya ng Himalayan salt. And don't you know guys that Himalayan salt is a healthiest salt on earth. Napakalupit. This is a vegan product. No preservatives, gluten-free, dairy-free, and 100% ang quality po nito. No? Ang seaweed chips po natin is 100% natural seaweeds. And since tayo ay nagsisimula pa lang, there is a big chance that you will be the first distributor in your area. No, congratulations. Napakalupit, no? And hindi ka mahihiya because our healthy snacks contains 93 plus bioavailable nutrients. Ang dami na po mga videos. I will not go deep explanations about our products kasi as you can see naman yung mga nag-video, yung kay Coach Kyra na talagang sobrang crunchy. Yung other partners natin na nag-impart ng kanilang mga videos and experience, may reels about that na nakakuha ng maraming orders na agad sa Bicol and about to order about, no? Kasi kailangan talaga. Marami na agad ang nag-message. So these are the user or the customers of our products na talaga naman, and some of them they are doing also a selling, no? So kung titingnan po natin, kumakalat na rin po talaga. So kailangan po nating sabayan. And I'm very proud to all of you to present our Queen of TikTok, no, our Seacrest ambassadress, Miss Beverly Gales, no? And she is, sabi niya nga, no, ang products natin, since this is infused with kelp seaweeds, with niacinamide, glutathione, and collagen, wala na. Sabi nga ng upline ko, tapos na ang boxing. Kung ang mga bata, kinakain yung seaweed chips natin at ang saya-saya nila, so na yung problema ng mga magulang sa mga anak nila na hindi kumakain ng gulay. Tama o tama? Tama o tama? Diba? And kung ang sinasabi ng ating Seacrest ambassadress, that our products, and I'm loud and proud na sabihin na she is a Seacrest family. And kahit ako, because I'm using the product already. In jackpot na jackpot, imagine mo naman, our products has this niacinamide, glutathione, and collagen. Again, tapos na po ang boxing. So the Skin Whitening Soup natin, as you can see, nasabi ko nga sa inyo kanina na meron po siyang free mesh, no? Yung parang panghilod, no? And the ingredients are kelp seaweeds nga powder with niacinamide, glutathione, and collagen, no? Mas maganda po talaga ma-experience nyo. Mas maganda, you should be a product of the product. Sa mga existing, sa mga waiting na mga products, huwag nyo na po agad pagka-unbox nyo, ligo ko agad po kayo para ma-test nyo po agad itong ating sabon, pati yung ating lotion. And sa mga guest po natin dyan tonight, guys, huwag nyo na pong antayin na patagalin pa na kung kailan nyo po gustong ma-experience to. kailangan pong ma-experience na po agad to because you just look at my screen, the product testimony of the product user ng Seaweeds Infused natin ng mga skincare products. Before, ito tingnan natin si Miss Candice Pastor, no? She has this dry skin, dark skin, and even skin tone, scars, marks, and dull skin. Pero pagkatapos niyang gamitin, alam ko na sabi niya, I've been using skin for 2 weeks now, and I like how it has kelp seaweeds and coconut oil and prevents my acne. Wow! Pak naman dyan. Grabe. Yung talagang maganda doon, you should be a product of your product para talaga namang ma-experience natin. Even si ating Seacrest ambassadress, I only choose the best for my skin. Parang Seacrest only touch my skin, no? So, ganyan po siya kaganda. So, our skin lotion, UV whitening SPF 60+. 60 PA+++. Grabe to, sa sobrang init na ng panahon natin. Ito po yung kailangan natin. Wala nang effect yung mga nasa market natin na 30, 50. As you experience naman, if you go to maligo kayo sa dagat and bili po kayo nung mga nabibili natin sa mga drugstore na mga skin tawag dito protection, sun protection. O sana makikita mo rin nag-aano ka pa rin, tinatablan pa rin. Pero with our lotion, no, is a 60 SPF 60 PA+++ and take note with niacinamide. Pagka mayroon kang ganito, well, safe ka na, no? So at least I love this product. All right, so I highly recommended ko po to. And look at my screen, the Siskin lotion testimony of our very own Coach Kyra Salonga, the Siskin proud user and affiliate. Before dark complexion, before dark skin tone, before my pigmentation. After using, tingnan mo naman, brighter skin, hydrated, even na po yung kanyang skin tone. Tingnan mo naman, ngiting gumpay. Yan. So congratulations Coach Kyra. At dito po talagang mai-excite ka to do the business. Why? Hindi ka po kakaba-kaba. May legalities ba ang aking company dinadala? Yes. 100% we are SEC registered. Maybe for some, Coach Jericho, walang signature bagay yung walang signature yung certificate of yung SEC registration nyo. Well, sa bago po kasi ngayon na ini-issue yung mga certificate from the government is online, hindi na po nire-require ng signature, no? Mayroon po yan nakalagay dyan sa ilalim. So congratulations sa mga on board na. Sa ganda ng profile ng company, sa ganda ng mga product natin, sa ganda ng pagkakaposition po natin with those sa mga darating pang mga products, ang tanong ng karamihan, how to be an affiliate, no? Kasi we hear talaga na pag-affiliate ka ngayon, grabe ang opportunity. So I have good news with you kasi napakabilis lang po nito and actually parang more than kalahati na tayo, no? So be an affiliate for only how much, no? It's only 2,996. Ay, may babayaran pala. Yan tayo eh. Pag may babayaran, bigla tayong umuubong. Excuse me, thank you. But the question is, palit ng 2,996. Is that valid question? Naglabas tayo ng pera eh. So, ito po yung subscription na sobrang nag-enjoy po talaga ako. Kasi yung membership mo, may kapalit na product. How much? The 2,498 na binayaran natin. Take note listen to this. You will have a lifetime product discounts. No overheads expenses. You have an access to a company logistic door-to-door. You heard it right. Nakapag-set up ka po ng drop shipping business. Congratulations! Grabe, no? You have a personal secrets account, online store. You have a weekly commission. Grabe, napakalupit, no? May 2 kang perasong lotion, no? 2 bottles of this lotion. And of course, you have 2 pieces of this sabon na napaka sobra. Wala na akong masabi sa product na to. I've been using this for 2 days. Grabe, kakaiba po siya nung na-observe ko talaga. No? So, makukumpara mo naman kasi because you are using other brand, ang lupit. No? Ang sabi ko nga, change brand lang ako. Total, ginagamit ko naman po talaga sila araw-araw. And isa pa pong nakatawag ng pansin ko po talaga is the subscription. In other company, you need to pay for your subscription for you to maintain what? For you to enjoy what? The perks of being a subscriber. In our company, you will enjoy, listen to this, you will enjoy the perks of being a member Plus, you will secure your structure position. You can activate in a higher compensation plan. You have a monthly commission via GCash or a bank deposit. Potential income is unlimited. Pag nagbayad ka ng subscription mo, ito yung good news. Every time you pay for your subscription, hindi lang po na-secure yung structure nyo. Hindi lang po yung mga narinig nyo kanina. I have a good news with you, and every time you pay, may kapalit na produkto. Pinapalakpakan yan. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Saan ka nakakita ng monthly subscription na binabayaran mo just to maintain, to secure your structure and activate your with a higher compensation plan, and you have a potential unlimited income, may kapalit na product? Napakalupit. Kakaiba po talaga, no? So, take note, and every time po na naglalabas tayo ng pera kay Seacrest, may kapalit po na produkto. So, napakabilis naman, Coach Jericho, yung pagkakapaliwanag mo. Can you please summarize it again? So, ang iba kasi 2,498. Bakit 2,998 ang binayaran ko? You can do the math. 2,498 plus 498. No? The membership and the subscription. Pero take note, membership pa lang, nakakuha ka ng product, subscription, nakakuha ka pa rin ng products. Congratulations! First time lang ba yan, Coach Jericho, pagbayad ko nito, pag-join ko lang itong subscription na to? First time, 1 month lang ako makakakuha ng product? No. Every time you pay for your subscription, monthly, you will get products. Grabe, napakalupit. No? Ulitin ko ulit, no? Ano yung kapalit ng 2,996 na binayaran natin? So, focus on this para makita nyo yung value ng pera na nilabas natin. A lifetime product discounts, no overhead expenses, access to a company logistics, no door-to-door na po yan ang delivery, personal Seacrest account, online store, free trainings and seminars because there are so many coaches, there are so many mentors na pwede pong tumulong sa atin on how are we gonna do the business in a right way. Plus bonus, every Monday, hands-on po si Sir Justin Ang, yung may-ari ng company, he is conducting training. And grabe, in two trainings na na-attendan ko sa kanya, I learned a lot. Grabe, no? Napakalupit. And we have a weekly commission, so hindi mo na po problemahin yung pang grocery, pambayad sa mga bills, kung may estudyante ka, allowance, you have na. Pre-provide na po ni Seacrest. But of course, this is the answer for all our prayers. And take note, and every time we pray, hindi po ihuhulog ni Lord ang pera agad sa iyo. Ito yung kailangan mo. They're gonna give you an opportunity, but you make an action for that. Take note, ha, the keyword is you need to make an action, no? So, kailangan natin sabayan ng sipag, no? Alright, so you will receive your dalawang bote ng lotion na napaka panalong-panalo. May dalawa ka pong sabon dyan. And of course, sa 498, na-secure mo yung position mo, nakapag-activate tayo ng higher compensation plan, may monthly commission via GCash and bank deposit. Potential income is unlimited. May dalawang sabon ka po dyan or dalawang seaweeds po or isang perasong skin lotion every time na nagbabayad po tayo. Actually guys, parang may missing dito na nakalagay. Tama ba? Kasi I received dalawa nito. Okay. Sorry. Ginulo ko yung mundo nyo, no? Dito pala sa subscription. That's why I get this too. Parang ako yung nanggulo, no? Sorry. So that's what you paid for 2,996. May kapalit. Buwan-buwan nagbabayad ng subscription. Ang tanong ng karamihan kasi ang iba dito sanay magbayad ng advance. Coach Jericho, can we pay for 1 year advance? Kasi balita namin, napakaganda ng opportunity ni Seacrest. Ang mga leaders ay talagang nagpuntahan kay Seacrest, no? So baka naman mawala kami dyan sa aming sa matrix. So I have good news with you kasi inaayos pa po lahat. But then, you can advance your 3-month subscription. May kapalit bang product? Yes. At ang good news sa inyo, yung first product na i-deliver po sa atin, libre po yan, wala tayong babayaran. Parang isinama na po dyan sa 2,996. Ganyan po ka-generous ang company natin. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Nasa tamang company po tayo. And the question of others here, paano yung concern ng iba? Paano yung repeat orders? Pakitain naman natin ang company. We need to pay for the delivery fee. Ano lang yan? Because we are nakapartner po tayo sa Ninja Van. So it's just a minimal, it's below 100 pesos. Pakitain naman na, wag naman puro i-charge sa company. Tama o tama? Okay? So, paano kumita? No? So ito yung tutukan natin, konting oras lang po to, mabilis lang po tong pasada. 6 ways to earn po tayo dito kay LiveGood. So at the moment, focus po tayo. We have a retail commission doon sa mga who loves to sell. Now we have a product rebates. Doon naman po to sa mga tulad ko na mahilig gumamit ng products. Talaga naman lilipat na tayo, no? Palitan natin yung mga existing brand na ginagamit. Ito yung gagamitin ko araw-araw at buwan-buwan. Now, fast start commission, subscription bonus, matching commission, company sales share, and of course, ito na po siya. Sa retail commission po natin, you'll get a lifetime discount for every product you buy. Take note, you get a lifetime discount on every product you buy. Sample, our SRP is 179. So as a member, you can just buy it at 119, no? 119. So definitely you have 60 pesos, 50% profit. Kalupit. So what about kung sobrang napakagaling mo talaga magbenta-benta? Mga estudyante, you can do this. Balik ka na sa school. Araw-araw naman talaga, naliligo tayo. Palitan yung inyong brand. At the same time, kumikita tayo, no? At take note, wala tong quota. So tuloy po natin sa retail commission. Again, as an affiliate of Seacrest, you have a lifetime discount for every product you buy. So pag tinignan mo, no, parang mamahalin, it's only 349. No? At pag member ka, 249 lang yan. So you get 100 pesos. 100 pesos po yan. It's a 40% profit. So if you love selling, every day may kinikita kang 100. What about if you have a regular customer? 100 yan. 10 yan. Hindi may 1,000 ka kagad, ginagamit po yan. So ibig sabihin, pag nakapag-establish ka talaga ng mga user ng mga product natin, let's say you have lang, so 10 lang, like may 1,000 ka. If more than that, 'di ba? Nauubos yan. So magre-repeat order talaga yan sa'yo. The product rebates also, you will get 5% product rebates for every products you buy. So kung tulad ko na magsiswitch na ako sa aking brand, ito na yung gagamitin ko, gumagamit ako nito but still, I'm still getting 5%, no? Product rebate. So I still get 12.45 monthly. Would be passive. So your income on top of your retail commission. Maganda ba o sobrang ganda? Ayan, nalaglag na yung iba sa upuan. So tutukan po natin because as we go deep po talaga with our presentations, lalo kayong malalaglag sa inyong upuan because kahit ako hindi pa ako makapaniwala. Kaya talagang ang nangyayari nga sabi sa akin ng mga coaches ko, natutulog ka ba? So I love talaga promoting and sharing this platform because grabe ang lupit po nito. Tingnan natin yung seaweed chips po natin. Pag bumili ka ng isa, no, napakasarap, healthy snacks, it's only 129. No? If you buy 15, it's 115. But if you buy 30, it's only 105. And pag 50 naman po, 99 na lang. Ganyan ka-generous ang company natin. Again, ano yung opportunity mo dito? You can be the first distributor in your area. Bilisan po natin. So you will get 5% rebates. Will depend on the range of a wholesale price availed. No? So tingnan natin ang product rebates. As you can see on my screen, dito po sa ating platform, as you scale your rank, lumalalim po yung ating tinatawag na unilevel commission, no? So if you are director on your first level, you will get 5%. If you are senior director up to second level, so 8%. Pag executive director ka, that's 10% up to third level. Kami po mga national director, congratulations to my direct, no? Magiging speaker din yan very, very soon here. Huwag ko munang pangalanan para kaabang-abang. So we are enjoying at 12%, no? Rebates, no? I mean unilevel. Sa corporate director, it's 15% at pag presidential director ka, 19%. Kaya dito po talaga nanaisin po natin na mag-rank up, mag-scale po ng ating rank because our income in this platform is proportionate with our rank. So nanaisin natin na mag-rank. Rank, enroll more people. Bring people to attend Zoom. We will do the presentations. Ano trabaho mo? Ay, may trabaho pala, of course. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, si God, hindi ibibigay sa iyo yung instant pera. Kahit anong dasal mo dyan, opportunity ang ibibigay sa iyo. May kasabay po yan na galaw-galaw, action-action. So ito na yun. Ang maganda dyan, you can do this na hindi ka nag-iisa. Marami po tayo magtutulungan po dito. Alright? So that would be a good news for all of us. So what about the fast start commission na kung saan natatanggap po natin to weekly? Fast start commission, ibig sabihin wala kang pang-allowance next week. Hataw ka ngayon. Introduce mo ito ngayon. Ikwento mo or kung hindi mo talaga kaya pang i-present, bring the people to the Zoom. Attendin mo ng alas 5, meron tayong alas 8, meron tayong alas 2. So pagka nag-sign up po yan, pag nag-join po yan, it will be credited to your account. So as you can see here, you will get 30% commission from every affiliate sign-up purchase. Ibig sabihin, pag dinala mo, nag-invite ka ng mga kaibigan mo, makakilala mo through Facebook, so in-invite mo, sinare mo dito, pina-attend mo ng presentation, tapos nagustuhan, nagbayad ng 2,996 pa lang. So you will get 2,498 yung membership, and syempre, by subscription yan, you will get 750, no? So lahat po yan, lahat. What if napakasipag mo? Talagang naka-budget ka, ang pang-grocery ko ganito, ang pang-ano ko is ganito, pang-bayad ko sa bills ganito. So you can program your own, ilan ba ang kailangan kong direct para mabayaran ko yung kuryente ko ngayong buwan? Ilan ba ang kailangan kong direct para makapag-grocery ako? You can make your own, you can make your own goal, no? Yung target natin. Kasi of course, pag gumawa tayo yun, dapat naman realistic talaga, measurable, and talagang attainable, no? So, kung titingnan mo, unlimited po yan. So, pag masipag ka, ano ka naman bayad ka? Akyat po yan sa'yo. At take note, no limit po yan on how many people you can enroll. You heard it right. Pag masipag ka, compensated ka dito. Ako na po magsasabi sa'yo. The fast start commission will work this way. Tingnan po natin. As you rank up, as you scale your rank, tingnan mo. Up to 80% ang commission po natin if you reach the presidential director. Again, take note that our income in this platform is proportionate with our rank. That's why focus on getting people, enrolling people, massive invitation, massive enrollment. Go wide and alalimin nyo po yan. And you will enjoy this compensation plan. The director will get 30%, the senior director will get 40%, executive director 50%, national director 60%, the corporate director 70%, presidential director is 80%. Grabe, 20% na lang ang iniwan natin sa company. Ganyan po ka-generous ang company po natin. What about the monthly commission naman itong subscription bonus natin? You will get 2.5% commission, 2.5% commission from all the subscription from 10 up to 15 level. So guys, tingnan nyo po to, no? Nakapagpasali ka, dalawa, level 1, no? First level. Level 2, yung napasali mo uli or napasali ng pinasali mo. Or either way, yan ay spin over galing sa taas. Sa ganda po ng platform po natin. Ako na po magsasabi sa inyo. Sabayan nyo po ito dahil kakaiba ang nakikita ko po ngayon na pagdagsa ng maraming tao. At take note mga leaders po ang nagdadatingan. When you say leaders, you have a group of people. Pag naposisyon nyo yung sarili niya, they will enroll massively. So what if madugtong po yun sa inyo? I'm saying na magpapakatamad-tamad ka dito, but that's a bonus. Alright? So that's a perks of being a pioneer. So huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Okay, so 10 to 15 levels po yan, mai-enjoy nyo po talaga ang ating subscription matrix commission. So here's how the positioning works, kasi baka sabihin mo, sige papasok ako dyan, lalagyan mo ba ako ng left and right? Oy, leaders, please don't make promise kasi hindi po tayo ang gumagawa ng positioning. It's automated positioning. So if I were you, kung guest po kayo ng mga kakilala nyo, ng mga kaibigan nyo, wag na po kayo magpatumpik-tumpik, position yourself. Do not make a demand na lalagyan po kayo ng tao kasi sa ayaw at sa gusto mo, the system is the one who will put it in you. But it's not a promise because kailangan po talaga natin dito trabaho. Sabayan po natin ng galaw. Okay? Sabi nga, galaw-galaw, baka ma-stroke. Alright? So kung titingnan po natin, if you're going to position yourself, the auto-generated position is from left to right. So if you position already yourself, look at the screen. So tingnan mo, nilagyan agad sa left. Ayan siya. What if kaibigan ng kaibigan mo yan, mas magaling leader yan, nalaglag, bago lalagyan yung kanan. So as you can see the screen, ganyan po ang distributions ng tao. So if I were you, lock in your position right now. Because ito po yung pag-uusapan po natin is the next one is natakpan ng slide ko, the subscription bonus, no? So as you can see here, no, level 1 to level 10 ang mai-enjoy po ng director in rank, and the senior and director is up to level 11, level 12 for executive director. For us, the national director is up to level 13, corporate director is up to 14, and the national director, presidential director rather, is up to level 15. This is the potential, the possibility pag napuno ang matrix. Bakit ko sinabing potential? Because this is the possibility. Hindi ko sinabi na pag pumasok ka dito pag director, buwan-buwan makakatanggap ka ng 25,497. If you are a senior director, you will get a 50,995. Pag executive yan, or pag kami tulad namin national director, we will get 203,980. But this is not possible because people are coming in. Every seconds, every minutes, may nagre-register as we can see in the power line. Believe me. So again, a reminder that our income here is proportionate as we scale our rank, no? Proportionate with our rank. So talaga namang talk to to the persons who invite you lagi, find a mentor, magpa-guide po talaga tayo dito para po talagang ma-maximize po natin itong income potential na binibigay po sa atin ng ating company. All right? So tuloy po natin, pag napuno po ang matrix mo, it's gonna be 850, 923. So join force with us. What we're gonna do, enroll more people para mapuno ang matrix. Ganun lang dali, walang sikreto. All you need to do is to enroll more people. Invite people to attend Zoom. The moment they attend the Zoom, pag naintindihan po nila yan, wala pong ibang gagawin yan. The registration fee is not a problem. Kasi sabi nga, pag gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. If you wanna change your life, no, for a better, ito na po ang maibibigay ko sa iyo. This is a highly recommended. Galing na po ako ng employment. I've been working in a multinational company. Earning 6 figures, yes. But then again, hindi talaga kayang i-survive. That's why naghanap ako ng platform na ito, tingnan mo naman. You can earn this. Ito pa lang ha. Subscription ang pinag-uusapan po natin. Hindi pa po kasali yung other ways to earn. 6 ways to earn po tayo. So imagine that. So unlimited ang income po talaga natin dito. At ito ang good news. Bakit mo kailangan mag-massive enrolling? Bakit mo kailangan mag-invite ng maraming tao to attend Zoom para mapa-join mo? Because the moment marami kang tinulungan, of course, bonus will come. Anong ibig sabihin, Coach Jericho? Pag marami kang in-enroll, you will get 50% matching bonus ang tawag doon sa kanilang matrix. So how does it work? Kunyari, nagpasok ka ng napakaraming kaibigan mo, first level and second level, ang 50% ng matrix nila will up to you. It's aakyat po yan sa'yo. Let's say, yung una mong dinirect ang kanyang matrix, ibig sabihin yung mga tao niya sa ilalim dumami. Dadami talaga kasi yan. And he or she is generating 10,000. So we'll get 50% of that is 5,000. Ganun na kasimple ang mathematics natin dito. So yung second mo is generating 25,000. Maybe iba ang rank nito. And you will get 12,500. That's so simple. Ganyan lang po yan. So ibig sabihin, the more you enroll, the more you help people, if you do massive invitation, if you do massive enrollment, if you do daily activity, well, in a very short period of time, you will rank up talaga. You will scale your rank here. You will enjoy the income offered by the company. No? So, ganun lang po kasimple. And the matching bonus works this way. So, tingnan mo, ikaw yan. Let's say, meron kang, ito, ilan to, 4. No? May kakilala ako. Sorry. Kakilala ko, 1 week, 40, 48, direct referral. No? In-sponsoran niya. Imagine mo na lang, itong sample natin, 4 lang yan. So, imagine mo na lang kung magkano ang kanyang kikitain sa matching bonus. No, in our screen, as you can see here, 4 lang yung in-sponsoran niya, no? So, pero they are generating like 5,000, 4,000, 2,000, 10,000. Maybe for some, ang liit naman yan. Yes, kasi nagsisimula pa tayo. Palalakihin po natin yan. Okay, so titingnan po natin yung mga 50% po niyan, 2,500, 2,000, 1,000, 5,000. Magkano kinita mo sa matching bonus alone? Matching pa lang ang pinag-uusapan po natin. Hindi kasama direct referral, hindi kasama product rebates, hindi kasama yung iba pang ways to earn. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Ako sa totoo lang, pag ito po ay na-internalize natin, pag in-scrutinize po natin to, nako, hindi ka makakatulog. Ako na magsasabi sa'yo, hindi ka makakatulog. And I have good news with you. Bakit mo sisipagan mag-invite at mag-enroll? Because the more people you help, the more blessings will come back to you. Tingnan mo naman, you will also match 50% of the subscription bonus of all your personally enrolled people. Plus, you are also paid if they decide to enroll people, and a percentage of those people enroll up to 5 generations. Ano daw? Ganito lang kasimple. May pinasok ako, nagpasok din. Yung pinasok niya, nagpasok din. Yung pinasok niya, nagpasok din. Anong ibig sabihin? You will generate from effort ng ibang tao. Ano yan? Diyan pumapasok ang law of leverage. Ano po ang law of leverage? Pinarami mo yung tao, pinarami mo yung oras mo na nag-aakyat ng income for you. And that's the strategy kung bakit ang mayayaman lalong yumayaman. At ang mahihirap lalong nagiging marites. Ay, sorry, hindi ko sinabi ko yung marites ha. At hindi ko sinabi mahirap. No, sorry for the term. No? So, if you really want talaga to change your life for a better, ito po, aralin natin, scrutinize po natin. The more you help people, ito lang po yan. Ito lang ang panghawakan mo. Pag nakatulong ka sa marami, blessings will come back. Ganun lang kasimple po yan. The 50% direct, napakalupit niyan. Napakalaking pera yan. As you scale your rank again, you will get a huge compensation. Senior director, 50%. Executive director, 55%. National director, 60%. The corporate director, 63%. And the presidential director, 66%. Grabe, napakalupit po nito. Okay pa ba kayo? Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Humihinga pa ba? And look at the potential income of the company sales share. Monthly, the presidential directors will receive 2%. Mas nanaisin po natin na mag-rank up into presidential. Bakit? You will receive 2%. Of what? Of everything sa company. Product sales, lahat po yan, yung enrollment, lahat ng kinikita ng company. Once you become presidential director, you will get 2%. What if nag-iisa ka pa lang? And the company nagkaroon ng 15 million sales of the month. How much is the 2%? 300,000. Additional lang po yan. On top of the ways to earn. Dagdag lang po yan. So kaya nga sasabihin ko sa iyo, million po talaga, yes. Seaweeds po ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito. So let us join force with us to advocate this seaweeds and you will see the potential income. Napakalupit, 300,000. What about kung dalawa kayo or tatlo kayo? Well, hindi ako naniniwala na hanggang dyan lang ang ating magiging sales. Ang laki niyan, daang libo po yan. Kahit magkaroon pa po yan ng 100 presidential directors, lahat po yan nakasmile and every time they receive the 2% presidential directors bonus. Month after month after month. Grabe, napakalupit po nito. And kung mag-rank up, mag-scale ng rank, Coach Jericho, you can refer to the back office, no? You can refer to the back office for all the members. You can go to your back office. Pindutin niyo po doon yung kung paano mag-rank up. Nandun po sa ating back office. Nakahilera po yun doon, sunod-sunod. And you will see, pataralan nyo. Kung hindi nyo po naiintindihan, talk to the persons who invited you, kung sino yung sponsor mo. For those who are guests natin inside the presentation, talk to the person who invited you. Pag-aralan nyo po ito, kailangan po mag-team play po tayo. Yes, kailangan po natin nakikipag-team play po tayo sa mga leaders po natin. Kailangan mayroon tayong constant communication. Huwag tayong magsarili dito. Kaya ko na to. Always remember, no man is an island. No? Two heads is better than one. No, may alam ka na hindi ko alam pero may alam ako na hindi mo alam. But hindi natin pagsamahin ang kaalaman natin para lalong yumabong ang ating kaalaman. Tama. All right? So, diretso tayo. So, ang ating income dito, paano nga ulit? Magugutom ka ba? Hindi. Lalo kung masipag ka. Because you will get weekly income every Thursday. So, ilang tulog na lang? Martes na. Martes, Miyerkules, o Huwebes na. Ano naman? Income na naman. Pakalupit naman. And the monthly natin will be, ibibigay yan sa atin every first Thursday of the month. Income. Commission through GCash and partners banks. Grabe GCash. Instant pera na talaga yan. Coach, paano ako hindi ako verified account? Meron tayong partner banks. Kung kasi verified accounts ako up to 500,000, no? And of course, I believe naman magiging ako presidential. So talagang maglalagay po tayo diyan ng bangko. Okay? So that's the law of attraction. Okay? So what about sabi nung iba, ano yung gawin yan? Ipapakita po namin sa inyo yung feasibility study. Ito yung the worst scenario na talagang ginawa mo na ang lahat. Ginawa ko naman ang lahat. Pero anong nangyari? 3 lang ang nag-enroll. At dami kong kinausap. Ayaw nila. Apply. At least may naniwala sa'yo. Tingnan mo. 3 lang ang naniwala sa'yo. Pero yung 3 din lang ang naniwala sa kanila. Magkakaibigan kayo na may sumpa ng 3. Okay, so I have a good news with you. Feasibility study po ito, hindi to pwedeng magkamali, no? So kung tingnan po natin, no? So, na-enroll mo in your first month and you will generate 2,248. At tapos na po ako, kaya steady po tayo ha, tutukan po natin to para makuha niyo po talaga yung pinaka lahat ng information. And the second month, yung tatlo, nag-invite ng tatlo, so siyam na. So you will generate 2,248. On the third month, yung siyam, naging 27, and you will generate 3,372. Yung apat, naging 81. So you generate 10, 116.90. Ang limang buwan, it's gonna be 243 ang tao mo. That's naging 30,350. So lumalalim ho talaga yung law of leverage, gumagana kahit sumpa ng tatlo. 729, that's 91,052. Not bad. Para ka ng executive niyan. On the 7th month is 2,087, 273. Worst comes to worst. Huminto yung iba kasi executive income na ako eh. So pwede na ako dito sa 91,000. Alam mo naman, yung iba yung mindset, iba yung mental wallet, napakaliit, no? Kaya dito talaga lalakihan natin yung mental wallet natin para talaga ma-absorb natin lahat ng mga papasok sa atin ng income. So on this 8th month, ganun din, nag-procrastinate na yung iba. So sige, okay na ako dyan sa 91,000. Sige, isa lang ang napasok. You still generate 273. On the 9th month, ganun din ang nangyari uli. And the 10th month, ganun ang nangyari uli. Total natin, 10 months mong ginawa ang negosyo. That's amounting to how much? 1,232.13. Kahit po i-divide mo pa yan in 10 months, tinalo mo po yan ang nagtatrabaho. Tinalo mo pa po yan nagtatrabaho. The ordinary employee is just generating 300,000 plus or mas low, higher man. Familiar ako with the compensation because sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I've been handling clients who are applying for loans, no? And they are employee of a multinational company. Mga director ang usually ang kliyente ko, no? And yun, market ko din yun, no? Isigway ko lang. And kami ang namin 45,000 basic. Below, hindi namin yan kinukuha. So, hindi naman kami nagdi-discriminate. However, the bank is mayroong criteria, may qualification. So, ibig sabihin, kung ikaw po ay nag-generate ng executive. So, anong gagawin mo talaga? Massive lang. Consistency is the key. Huwag kang susuko. Tuloy-tuloy. Talk to your upline para ma-guide ka ng maayos po dito. So our community has proven and tested system. On board at the first month is 100 plus pioneering affiliates. Yan. No, so as you can see here, Neneng si Coach Kyra. Pero grabe, napakasipag dito. Saludo ako dito. Alauna na madaling araw, alas 2 magkausap kami nito. Grabe. So tingnan mo naman, di ba? Yeah, so tingnan mo, ganyan sa kasipag. Before, she's selling like ukay-ukay and nag-upgrade siya to RTW, no? Ready to wear. So tingnan po naman natin, ganyan po talaga siya kasipag. Kaya deserve niya po talaga. She do this part-time and she is generating 6 and 12.68. She is a seller. The company generated over 25,000 product sales alone on her first month as an affiliate. Grabe! Ganyan talaga kalupit, ganyan kaganda ibenta ang products natin. What about this? Coach Ace Cabonce. No, napakalupit, no? Yung salita sa akin, yung salita kanina, nagpakilala sa akin. Napakalupit dito. Tingnan mo naman, he was before service crew, no? So tingnan mo naman, he is doing this by heart. Ulysses Cabonce, service crew before. She's generating what? How much? 10,951. Maybe for sa bababa, yes, nagsisimula pa lang kasi sila. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo lahat dito. And pero ano ang advantage of having an online business? Yung nandoon ka sa ibang bansa that you are the boss of your own. Making your own vacation, you're enjoying yourself. You have this lifestyle pero you are generating income. Pinapalakpakan yan. Hindi yung tipong, boss, hindi ako makakapasok kasi kasal ng aking kapatid. Boss, may anniversary. Boss, sabi ng boss mo, hindi ka pwede mag-absent. My God. So grabe, no? Lahat ng mundo mo umikot na lang sa boss mo. Yung tipong may bagyo na, kailangan pang pumasok. Yung tipong may sakit ka, kailangan mong bumangon. So in here, hawak mo yung oras mo. Guys, mahalin mo ang sarili mo, no? So this opportunity is open for everyone. Nasa sayo na lang kung a-actionan mo agad or what. Palilipasin mo ba to? So ito na. Ngayong gabi, magsisimula ang kakaibang pagbabago sa buhay mo. Look at this. Real estate agent. She's doing this part-time and she is generating 32. Kung nagawa niya, I believe, magagawa mo. Mas malaki pa. So here are other affiliate of Seacrest na talaga nag-i-enjoy of being an affiliate. So, mamimit po natin sila. Magkikita-kita po tayo very, very soon. So, stick lang po kayo lagi. So, all you need to do now is to position your slot. Lock in your slot. Join us as soon as possible. Why? Because people are coming. Sinabi ko nga po sa inyo kanina, every seconds, every minute, people are coming in the power line. So, you never know kung sino yung madudugtong sa'yo. You never know kung sino yung madudugtungan mo. All you need to do is to decide now. Do not procrastinate. Huwag mo na pag-isipan. Pag-isipan mo 2,996? Come on. Sabi ko ako dati, pag nag-inuman kami ng mga friends ko, magkano ang bill? 4,000, 5,000, 8,000, lalo na kung medyo high-end, 10, 15. Grabe, no? Inom-inom lang yon. Pero ito business, babaguhin ang buhay mo. So, join force with us. Be the channel of blessings to others. 80% we will take care of 80% of the effort initially. 20% all you need to do is connect the people you know with us. And that's it. Bring people in us. Attendin mo lang ng Zoom. Lagi ka magdala ng Zoom dito. And I'm gonna share you the packages that we have. Right now, we have the standard, which is the 2,498, and you will get, I already discussed what are kung anong kasama niyan. So that's the bundle plan for 2,996. And I have a good news with you guys because you can upgrade your plan from standard to premium, and magdadagdag na lang po tayo. Makikita po natin yan dyan sa back office natin. If you pag-open lang po natin ng ating account, makikita mo yan. We welcome po tayo dyan. Kung magkano yung idadagdag na lang natin to upgrade. No, from standard to premium to VIP, or from standard to direct VIP, or kung gusto mo dumaan muna sa premium bago ka tumalon sa VIP. So as you can see on my screen, numbers never lie, and all the products that you will get is yan na po yan. Plan upgrade, standard to premium is 3,000. You will get for bottle of lotion, 2 spoon. If you are upgrade from standard to VIP, you will just add 7,000. May 8 ka na po dyan na lotion, may 6 po dyan na sabon. If you upgrade your premium to VIP, you will add 4,000. May 4 ka po dyan na lotion, may 4 ka din po dyan na sabon. But wait, there's more. Pag masipag ka, hindi lang income ang ibibigay sa iyo ng company. What? Yes. Totoo yan. You will have a travel incentives. And if you really want to become successful in this platform, focus, make a massive action. Enroll more people, invite more people, bring people to us. Kami po ang magpe-present sa kanila ng business. And ito po yung mga nag-aantay sa atin na travel. Asia tour, wow! And of course, European tour. We have US tour. Ikaw na lang po ang kulang. So guys, I am done. So I know na it's very clear, no? Malinaw, Tagalog naman yung ginamit ko. May konting English lang, no? No, may konting Bicol because I am a Bicolano. So if you have question, reserve po natin yung other questions po natin because every Monday we have Q&A with the owner of the company, and I know if I don't know if Sir Ace Cabonce will answer all of the questions. If you have some other questions, you can ask with your leader. And right now, you can go back to the persons who invited you. Let them know if you are going to avail the premium, the basic, the basic, the premium, the VIP, no? So i-ano mo agad. Talk to the kausapin mo agad yung taong nag-invite sa iyo. Don't send message to me because I am not the one who invited you. No, I am here just to present this business, just to introduce you this opportunity that I believe kung kami po unti-unti na pong natutulungan nito, na 2 weeks pa lang po kami. So maniwala po kayo sa hindi. So I can never believe na nag-payout tayo last week. Payout na naman tayo this week. So it's not only the payout but the advocacy of the company. No, the advocacy to promote the seaweeds, and of course to help our local farmers, and of course to be a channel of blessings to others. Yung maging daluyan tayo ng biyaya at pagpapala para sa ating kapwa. Napakalaki po nun. Napakalaking bagay po yun. Yung excited tayo gumising araw-araw kasi nga po makikita po natin na mayroon po tayong purpose, no? Mayroon po tayong magiging we are going to spread the positivity, the light and hope, not only here in the Philippines because sooner or later we will go global. Yan po ang katotohanan dyan. Okay, so if you have some question, you can get back to the persons who invited you and let them know if you are premium or VIP or yung ating 2,996 na bundle plan. Okay? So again, this is Coach Jericho Irinco, your national director, run for the next ano natin rank. So I hope to work with you guys, and I'm so excited to see each and every one of you. So again, before ako magtapos, no, nagpapasalamat po ako sa company owner, sa lahat po ng mga leaders na you push me to scale my rank. Kayo po talaga ang dahilan kung bakit po ako naging national director. And this is all for you, no? Pangalan lang po, naikabit lang po yan sa pangalan ko. And naniniwala ako na sunod-sunod na po tayo. Kayo na po yung sunod, and ano lang tayo, all we need to do is to focus and connect to the persons who invited you. So again, thank you so much. God bless everyone. And Coach Ace, pasok ka, Coach Ace. I think Sir Justin is here.
Coach Jericho.
Coach Ace, are you there? Coach Ace. Andan.
Hello, hello. Ayan.
Yeah.
Hello.
Coach, ayan, si Coach Ace pala. Ayan. Thank you so much, Coach Ace.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Coach Jericho, no? Ayan. So, kamusta guys? Kamusta yung mga first-timers natin, no? So, yan. So, sa mga first time po, congratulations sa naka-attend, no? Napakinggan natin, no? Na napakagandang presentation with Coach Jericho, no? So, lahat naman tayo for sure, no? Na nagustuhan din yung opportunity. And syempre, ang goal natin, kumbaga, lahat din tayo is makapag-rank up din, no? Makapag-proceed kasi nakita natin ang laki po ng pwedeng kikitain, no? Na the moment na pag nag-rank up tayo katulad ni Coach Jericho, no? So, kamusta guys? Hello, no? Sa mga first-timers, no? Kamusta kayo dyan? Baka may mga questions kayo guys, no? Wag po kayong mahiyang magtanong. You can unmute or you can message, no? Check natin yung mga dito. Anong mangyayari if hindi subscribe, no? So by Sir Norman, actually po yung account niyo po Sir Norman, if ever hindi po kayo nakapag-subscribe, mapupunta po siya sa pending. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Is marireposition po yung account natin. Ayan. So sayang po yung na-position natin, no? Nakapag-sign up tayo. And then ang mangyayari na if ever hindi po natin na ipatuloy, no? So ang mangyayari is matatanggal, mawawala yung position mo doon, and then marireposition po yun, no? So malalaglag. So sayang po, napakasayang. Kaya halos lahat po ng mga natin, no, ng mga members natin and mga affiliates po natin, they really tend to avail our subscription monthly kasi nga iniingatan po nila, no? Kumbaga bina-value po nila yung position nila right now kasi nga lalong-lalo na nabanggit ni Coach Jericho kanina na yung company is fresh, napakabago, no? So nakita mo siya na nagsisimula pala yung company. Even si Coach Jericho guys, no? Kakasimula lang din pero in expand of I think 6 days, 7 days, no? Na-achieve niya kaagad yung national director. So even siya, ang laki na nakita niya na potential ng company. So that's why even siya, no, sinimulan din kaagad. So kaya sa mga lahat po ng mga first timers, no, and sa lahat po ng mga affiliates, guys, I really suggest or recommend na i-retain po natin yung position kasi nga napaka-blessed na po natin na tayo po ay parte ng first 500 affiliates po. Actually, wala pa po tayong 500. Tandaan nyo ha, kakasimula pa lang po ng company natin. Nasa around almost 300 pa lang po yung affiliates natin. So wala pa tayo sa first, kumbaga tayo pa lang yung first 500, no? So parte ka ng history ng Seacrest na pag lumaki pa ng lumaki, and I'm sure lalaki at lalaki tayo, no? So kumbaga parte ka ng history na nakapagsimula ka kaagad. Nasa first 500 affiliates ka ng company. So advantage since nandun ka sa pwesto na yun, no? Nandun ka sa pwesto na yun, na since na protektahan natin, naalagaan natin yung position, who knows, gaya ng sabi ni Sir Jericho, who knows, yung taong mauunahan mo Kasi nga ang dami ng leaders po na sumasali sa atin from different companies because even them, no, they see the vision, they see the potential of the company, no? So even sila nag-position na din kaagad sila. So ngayon pa lang i-position niyo na rin yung account niyo and syempre i-retain po natin yung position natin. Alagaan po natin yung position natin kasi nga the moment na hindi po tayo nakapag-subscribe, mawawala po yung position natin doon, no? So, yun po, yung pwedeng mangyari po sa atin. Kaya, wag po natin kalimutan, no? Be mindful sa inyong expiration ng subscription natin, no? Ayan. So, yan. Thank you, Coach Jericho. Ayan, God bless, no? Grabe. So, ang dami pong ano. Ayan. Good evening po, Coach Jericho. Ayan. Good evening sa lahat po, no? Ayan. Si Sir Ernesto, no? Yan. So yes sir, actually almost the same. Inspired po to sa isang American subscription company, no? And the good thing nito is we have the products. Every time po nag-subscribe, no? So meron po tayong product na i-affiliate, meron ka rin product na marireceive sa subscription mo. Ito yung kagandahan. Kasi you have different ways para ka kumita, no? So kung you're not into kind of people na you're not into referring people, no? So medyo nandun tayo sa part na mayayain. So you can start to affiliate our seaweed products, no? So dito lang yan sa Philippines natin, no? So ang kagandahan kasi we position sa Philippine market, no? Ayan. So congratulations Coach Jericho, no? Yan, by Jeff Kumigan. Yan. Regarding po sa subscription position, anong procedure po ng positioning ng bawat nag-join? Ayun. Regarding naman po sa subscription position, magsisimula po siya yung tinatawag natin na automated positioning, no? So mag-start po siya na i-fill in lahat po ng mga levels mo on the left side. So for example, third level, lahat po ng third level ng left side mo, so i-fill in niya pa yun, no? So lahat po ng left side ng levels mo. So for example, third level, like say first and second level mo occupied na lahat ng positions, no? So pagdating ng third level, may mga empty positions pa. Magsisimula i-fill in yung left and then left, no? Left dito, then left dito. Left dito, then left dito, no? Left. Lahat po ng left. Hanggang napuno na yung left, right na naman. Right, 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 right. No? So, yun po yung fill-in natin. Pag na-position po, then may income po siya sa matrix. Wala din safety net na ni Seacrest. Tama po ba, sir? Pag na-reposition po, reposition. Then, may income po siya sa matrix. Wala din safety net na ni Seacrest. Tama po ba, sir? Bale, the moment po na-reposition po siya, yung referral niya, for example, meron siyang referral, no? Nalaglag siya, and then meron siyang referral. So yung referral, direct pa rin yun sa kanya, no? Since siya yung mismo yung nakapag-direct nun, yung kita nun, no? So kahit saang position man yun siya, no? Nalaglag siya kahit saang position, yung income po ng referral niya, meron pa rin siyang kikitain doon kasi nga personal direct referral niya yun eh. So hindi mawawala yung kita niya doon. Ang posibleng mawala lang sa kanya, yung matrix niya na yung na-spill over or naunahan niya. No? So, ang mangyayari, sayang po yun kasi we do not know na baka, gaya ng sabi ni Coach Jericho kanina, since ang dami na nagjo-join ng mga leaders, we do not know na baka yung maunahan mo, leader pala. No? Malakas pala na leader, may malaking grupo pala na kumbaga i-fill in din dito. No? So, mangyari, since nawala yung ano mo, yung position mo, na-reposition ka, let's say, nalaglag ka, no? Napunta ka sa ibang linya, so sayang yung leader na yun, na supposedly income yun ng matrix mo. No? So, ang mangyayari, di mo nakikitain yun. Yung enroller tree mo na lang. Ibig sabihin ng enroller tree, yun yung referral tree mo. No? So, ikaw mismo yung nakapag-enroll sa kanya. So, yun po. Ang safety net naman is hanggang 15th level lang po siya. No? So, ang mangyayari, yung 16th level, yun na po, no? Hanggang 15th level lang po yung safety net natin. Yan. Pero, yan. Then, ayun. Salamat. Yan, grabe, no? So, napaka-responsive and napaka-active po ng mga viewers natin tonight, guys, no? Coach, saan ginawa yung mga products if dito saan yung manufacturing plant nila. Actually, yung ano natin, yung skincare natin, yung lotion at saka yung sabon natin is sa Luzon po yun, no? Manufactured sa Luzon. And then yung chips naman natin, is dito lang po yun sa Mandawi City. No? So dito lang po yan Cebu. So kumbaga, pwede po kayo mag-order ng chips ng kahit ilang piraso po. So kahit ilang pieces po yung gusto nyong orderin, no? So available po siya yung chips natin, no? So yan. Lupet, Coach Jericho, congratulations. Yan. Coach, meron ba kayong dashboard makikita yung income? Yes, actually, ano po, abangan natin no later no. So kung meron kang income, lalabas po 'yan siya no. So mag-update na po yung ano natin, dashboard natin maya-maya, no? Halimbawa po, mahiyain ako magbenta pero tuloy-tuloy ang bayad ko ng subscription. Kikita ba ang account ko po? Actually, sino ka? Si Sir, no? Or Sir or Ma'am. Actually, depende if lalo na ngayon, no? So, for example, nag-start po kayo, let's say, you're not into referring people, you're not into selling din. Sabihin na lang natin, subscriber ka lang, user ka lang ng product natin, no? So, ang mangyayari po, if continue lang yung subscription nyo, and then let's say, yung mga tao na naunahan nyo na possible po na mauunahan nyo po, like for example, I'm not, kumbaga, for example, no, nag-start ka kaagad, yung mga taong na-refer or yung taong nag-refer sa inyo po, no? So let's say, active din siya, no? So meron din siya mga nare-refer. So let's say since nakapag-start ka kaagad, no, na-fill in yung mga next na mga sasali sa kanya, no? Possible kasi 'yan. No, possible. Hindi ko rin siya masasabi na walang malalagay sa iyo kasi nga nagsisimula yung company. This is the best time kasi na masasabi ko talaga na meron at meron talagang posible na may mafi-fill in sa atin kasi nga since nag-start pala yung company and lalong-lalo na yung mga affiliates natin o mga members natin, they are really eager to spread the opportunity to their friends, no? Kasi nga alam nila na kumbaga ang laki pa ng market, no? Alam nila na hindi pa to alam din ng mga kakilala nila. So, ang mangyayari po sa account natin is mataas po yung chance, mataas po yung possibility na yung mga susunod na sasali ng taong nakapag-refer po sa iyo is mafi-fill in. So kahit isang tao lang yung mauunahan mo diyan, no, ma-fill in sa position na 'yan sa organization mo. Kahit isang tao lang 'yan, meron at meron ka pa rin kikitain kasi nga per people or per head, no, na mag-subscribe under sa organization mo, kikita ka pa rin. So that's 12.45 pesos per head, no, or each sa bawat subscribe. Eh what if yung tao na yun, di natin alam, no, nag-grow, no, kumbaga nagpa-participate din siya, ginagawa niya yung business, uma-attend din siya ng trainings, no? Meron din siya mga friends na na-refer niya rin, napa-enroll niya rin. So lumaki po yung organization niya. Nung lumaki yung organization niya, kahit hindi mo yung referral, meron at meron kang kikitain doon sa kanya. So in terms of possibility, mataas po yung chance po na pwede ganun yung mangyari sa account natin. Lalong-lalo na nasa first 500 affiliates pa lang po tayo. Kaya napaka-advantage, no? Napaka-advantage talaga. This is the best time. If you're gonna ask me, when is the best time to join? When is the best time to start? Today. Now is the best time to start. So ang gagawin mo, hingin mo yung link ng taong nakapag-refer sa iyo. Yung nag-send ng link sa iyo nito, hingin mo siya. Hingin mo yung link niya para maka-sign up ka. Kasi hindi lang ikaw yung bibigyan niya ng link. No? After this, marami yan siyang ipapasend ng mga links sa mga friends niya, kakilala niya. So hindi niya alam kung sino mo una doon sa position na yon. Paunahan ng position na ma-occupy nyo yung levels ng organization niya. Maybe ngayon level 2 ka pa. Pero baka pag na-late ka mamaya ng isang oras, laglag ka na sa level 3. Gets niyo yung point ko? So pabilisan po. Kaya ang gawin nyo, hingin mo kaagad yung link ng taong nag-refer po sa atin. No? So pabilisan po to ng no, kung hindi man nag-reply sa inyo, tawagan niyo kaagad, no? Sir, ma'am, pa-send na ako ng link mo kasi nga paunahan to nagmamadali tayo, di ba? Kasi di natin alam, guys. Baka ako, naniniwala ako, hindi lang ikaw yung kinakausap niyan. For sure, no? Definitely, hindi lang ikaw. Marami pa yan naka-line up, no? Na kinakausap. Ayan. Mainam po talaga na ma-maintain natin ang monthly subscription natin. Maganda po dito kasi kahit subscription mo may kasamang produkto. Ayan, by Coach Jeff, no? Tamang-tama, Sir Jeff. Magaling Coach Jericho as always by Coach Edmar. Ayan, no? So, yan, actually, thankful din kami, no, with Coach Edmar. Yan, no? So, palakpakan natin to, guys, si Coach Edmar. So, wala yung buong Eagles and Lions, no, worldwide. Kung hindi dahil kay, Coach Edmar. Lupit nito ni Coach Edmar, no? Yan. Yes, Team Eagles sasabog dito sa Laguna. Yun. Si Sir Ronelo ata yung unang magsisimula ng Laguna na magpapasabog dyan, no? Ng Team Eagles and Lions natin. Coach, paano magbenta sa online? Pwede ba yan kahit anong platform like Lazada or Shopee? Yes, actually pwede po. Depende po siya sa kung paano nyo po siya i-market. Kasi may mga nagmo-market na po rin tayo sa TikTok. No? Ang ginagawa po nila is naglalagay po sila sa kanilang bio. Click the link on my bio, parang ganun, no? So nilalagay po nila yung link nila, no, para every time na nagpo-post sila ng videos about the products, no? So kumbaga doon, no, ini-engage nila sa or nilalagay nila sa caption na click the link on my bio. No? So every time na mga doon, mga TikTokers, no, nagvi-visit sila sa shop or sa bio nung affiliates natin. So nakikita nila yung link na yun. So pag-click, automatic register, no? May mga video presentation kasi tayo doon. So, ayan. We are business here, kaya po mas maganda na kahit 3 lang sa feasibility study sample, magawa natin para magandang income. Yes, tama po. Tama, no? Ayan. So, shout out Team Hero under Team Eagles and Lions Worldwide. Yan, by Coach Demi. Laki na pala ng Eagles and Lions, no? Hindi ko na namamalayan, guys. Lumalaki ng lumalaki. Kaya, sa buong team Eagles Lions Worldwide, no, na nandito right now, syempre nakaka-proud, no, kasi Coach Jericho himself, no, yung founder mismo, no, and na-meet na natin, nakilala na natin, no, and syempre narinig na natin din. First, for sure, yung iba dito, first time natin narinig si Coach Jericho na mag-speak na rin, no, dito. And kaya nga, guys, sa mga affiliates, sa lahat po ng mga affiliates ng Eagles and Lions Worldwide, eto na po yung perfect na panahon na hatawin mo, banatan mo to, kasi abangan mo, marami pang mga good news na paparating this upcoming months, no? So, napaka-blessed natin, napaka-swerte natin, no? We are very blessed, nakita natin tong opportunity na to. And sa lahat po ng mga first-timers, you are very much welcome po sa company na to, no? So, we have this community po na nagtutulungan, no? So ang ganda po ng community na binibuild natin right now kasi hindi mo to ikaw lang mag-iisa, no? Or I mean, hindi mo to sisimulan na ikaw lang mag-isa. Kasama mo kami with Coach Jericho, with Coach Edmar, and lahat po ng mga coaches, no? Nagtutulong-tulong para palakahin ang company. And syempre, para yung mga affiliates po na sasali, syempre, kumita din sila, no? So yun po yung pinaka number 1 goal natin. Aside sa mabawi, syempre kikita po, no? Magkaroon po tayo ng time and financial freedom po para sa mga mahal natin sa buhay, no? So, yun lang po siguro, guys. Kung wala na pong tanong, maganda po kasi May pa lang po nag-start and may products pa. Yes, tama po kayo, no? So, ang ganda po na nakita natin right now, no? So, ako naniniwala ako na may purpose ang Panginoon kung bakit natin to nakita ngayon habang nagsisimula pa. No? So, I know for sure yung iba may ibang pinagkakabalahan pero still nakita mo pa rin to, no? Kaya for me, subukan mo kaagad, simulan mo kaagad, no? Kausapin mo kaagad yung taong nag-refer sa inyo, no? So, yun lang for us tonight, guys. Maraming salamat po sa mga umattend, sa ating mga guests, no? Sa ating mga clients tonight and sa ating mga affiliates and most especially sa ating powerful speaker tonight, no? Our very own National Director, Coach Jericho Irinco, no? Palakpakan natin, guys, no? So, abangan natin for the upcoming days, no? So, who knows, no? Guys, meron na naman tayong sorpresa, no? Baka who knows, one of these days, meron na naman ulit tayong ma-meet na first time din ulit natin maririnig, no? So, abangan nyo. Guys, maraming salamat sa lahat po ng sumusuporta, nanood, no, nakinig. And yung mga clients din po, no? Maraming salamat kasi nakasama namin kayo hanggang dulo. Huwag po kayong matakot, huwag po kayong mag-alala, no? You are very much welcome sa community natin and sa Seacrest growing family po natin, no? So, see you around, guys. Kita-kits po tayo, no, sa papalapit natin na grand opening. Abangan nyo yung announcement, no? So, ang daming surprises, no? Ang daming good news na paparating. So, I really hope na to do business with you all sa lahat po ng ating mga first timers right now, no? So, kung saan man kayo right now, ingat po kayo, no? God bless everyone and maraming salamat, no? So, tomorrow panibagong bakbakan na naman, no? Panibagong affiliate program ulit. So, maraming salamat. Good night everyone. God bless. See you around.
Bye everyone. Thank you.